Cordless alloy electric air duster. 65 meters per second wind speed superpower turbo fan. 4-gear adjustable compressed air duster SCTF001. Brand Secure. Item weight 10 ounces. Number of pieces 1. Manufacturer Secure. Handheld Super Typhoon. This superpower turbo fan features a 130,000 revolutions per minute turbine, providing a max 65 meters per second wind speed and up to 220 grams, 7.7 ounces thrust. The strongest wind force among products of the same tier. The power larger than a Super Typhoon, now it's in your hands. Large capacity battery. Powered by Tabai 4000 mAh large capacity battery. This jet fan can provide 15 minutes of battery life at the highest wind speed, or up to 100 minutes at the first gear. Stronger while also lasting longer, including a Type-C charging cable, which can be charged by computers, universal adapters, or car chargers. Full metal shell is a handy tool. We understand that durability is a core element. Therefore, our air duster uses a high-strength aluminum alloy shell with an integrally formed core frame, strong and wear-resistant. The curved-shaped design on the edge makes the product easy to hold, convenient and portable with a length of about 6 inches. The fan is no larger than an ordinary mobile phone, which is convenient to carry in your pocket or placed in the glove box and other convenient places. Sustainable use and environmental protection. Designed to replace traditional canned air, our product does not have the freezing cold tank body of conventional gas after use. And by recharging and recycling continuously, we try our best to avoid the production of tank waste and make the world cleaner. Unlimited possibilities. Use our turbo fan in any scenario you prefer, whether it's to remove dust from computers, keyboards, or indoor furniture, or snow and fallen leaves on cars, clean the ground when camping, inflate inflatable mats, etc. It fully covers your various life needs.